Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites so we avoid guessing. Check VS Code version and key extensions, and open the integrated terminal to verify Node or Python paths. Once done, make sure environment variables point to the correct interpreter. That fixes many runtime mismatches. Then disable non-essential extensions and relaunch in a clean window. This removes extension conflicts. If an extension caused the issue, you'll see errors drop immediately, so you can isolate the offender and proceed with configuration changes. Now reproduce the problem in a minimal file so you know exactly what triggers it, and copy the error text and stack trace. Open Output, Problems, and Debug console panels to trace failing modules or missing files, because those logs reveal misconfigurations. Next, inspect Launch. JSON and Settings. JSON for incorrect paths or missing workspace folders. Adjust path mappings and relative routes. Also verify integrated terminal shell and environment inheritance. Mismatched shells often cause environment differences between run and debug. Finish by applying the configuration fixes you identified. Correct launch and workspace paths, update or reinstall any problematic extensions, and commit changes to settings. Then clear caches and restart VS Code. Once restarted, run the minimal repro to confirm the issue is resolved. If errors persist, reset user settings or create a fresh profile to rule out corrupted config. One key troubleshooting tip: check the developer tools console for hidden errors. Those messages often reveal file permission or extension load failures that the UI hides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.